Ways in and out of the hermeneutic circle. The video briefs the third lecture in a series on the theory of literature by Paul H. Fry, a professor of English at Yale University. In this video, we will discuss the concept of the hermeneutic circle, a term used in literary theory to describe the process of interpretation. Here are some of the key points covered in the video. What is the hermeneutic circle? Fry explains that the hermeneutic circle is a term used to describe the circular relationship between the parts and the whole in interpretation. According to Fry, the hermeneutic circle is the process by which we understand the parts of a text in relation to the whole and the whole in relation to the parts. Why is the hermeneutic circle important? Fry argues that the hermeneutic circle is important because it acknowledges that interpretation is a complex and iterative process. According to Fry, interpretation is not simply a matter of decoding the meaning of individual words. Instead, it involves a complex interplay between different parts of a text and the broader cultural and historical context in which the text was produced. How do we navigate the hermeneutic circle? Fry discusses several strategies for navigating the hermeneutic circle, including close reading, historical contextualization, and intertextual analysis. According to Fry, each of these strategies can help us better understand the relationship between the parts and the whole in a text and interpret the text more effectively. What are the limitations of the hermeneutic circle? Fry acknowledges that the hermeneutic circle is not a perfect model of interpretation, and the approach has several limitations. For example, Fry notes that the hermeneutic circle can be circular in nature, with interpretation leading back to the same set of assumptions and preconceptions. Additionally, Fry argues that the hermeneutic circle can limit its focus on the relationship between the parts and the whole and that other approaches to interpretation may be more effective in specific contexts.